guys, welcome to this episode of Linux You Gotta Know. Today I'm going to go over some basic file system navigation commands that you just have to know in order to use a command line interface in Linux. So let's start and open a terminal. So first I'm going to go over the command pwd. This is a very simple command. It just prints your working directory. You don't have to type in any arguments because it doesn't take any. So if we type in pwd, it's going to show us our whole directory. Next, I'm going to go over ls. ls will list the files in your directory. So if I just type in ls here without any arguments, I'm going to get the files that are in my home directory that I'm currently in. Or you can type in ls for a certain directory. For example, you can ls the root folder, and you're going to get everything in your ls that you type the folder for. Now I'm going to go over cd. cd will change your directory. So if we want to cd to root, we can cd to root, and now you can see that we are in the root folder. Or we can cd back to /home, my folder, my user directory, and now I'm back. To go back with cd, to go back one directory, to go back to /home, we can just cd ... and here we go. We are in the home directory. Now I'm going to cd back here using // which means my directory / Tiger Steve, and then we're back in my directory. I'm going to cd to desktop because I'm going to be using that later. Now I'm going to be going over the cp command. This is just going to copy your file. So if we want to copy hello world, I will copy it to hello world 2, and here we go. We have a file here, ls. We have both hello worlds, the one that I have and the one that I copied. Now I'm going to go over rm. This is going to remove a file. So if we just type in rm in the name of the file that we want to delete, it's going to delete it for us. rm is actually a very, very dangerous command. So be sure to make sure you know what you're doing when you're trying to remove a file. Never recursively remove anything unless you are perfectly sure that it is not a system directory that you will be needing to use. Now I'm going to use mkdir to make a new directory. So all we have to do is type mkdir new, let's call our folder new, and we get our new folder here. This makes our directory. Now I'm going to go over remove directory. Remove directory new, and now that deletes our directory. If our directory happened to have files in it, then and we wanted to delete the folder along with the files in that directory, we would use a recursive remove, and this would delete all the files that are in the directory, including directories. Make sure you use the remove command correctly, because again, this is a very dangerous command that could totally screw up your system if you're not careful. These are going to be your most basic file system navigation commands in the Linux command line. If you want to learn more about how to use these commands, the command manual, which is just man, will be able to give you a huge manual on how to use the command. You can also use online resources such as a website to read how to use these commands more in detail. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Linux You Gotta Know, and I will see you in the next episode of Tiger Steve Tech.